Alrighty guys, so we are going to be continuing with our positive and negative numbers, and today you're going to be able to explain the meaning of positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero using real life, just the whole in context situation. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our warm-up. So our warm-up says, if point B is at 0, then what are the values of points A and C? Think about some of the words that we used yesterday. To the right, to the left, above, below, opposite. So think about some of those words and see if you could get something written down for your warm-up. So go ahead and pause this video and get something written down for your warm-up and then move on to the mini lesson. So with the mini lesson, this is a bank statement for a bakery, okay? And on what dates did the bakery deposit money into their bank account? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and see what we can look at here. So when I deposit money into my account, I am looking for more of a positive number, right? I'm putting it into my account. I'm not taking it away from my account. So we can use some of the words we got here. So rent, well, rent means I'm paying somebody, so that's not it. Order birthday cake and cookies. Okay, paying me, because remember, I'm a bakery. So somebody's paying me for a cake and cookies. That's great. Okay, so am I depositing that money into my account? Absolutely. Right, so I've got that one. Utilities, so I have to pay for electricity, gas, and phone. They don't just suddenly appear, right? So that's money that's going out. Order, so somebody orders a wedding cake and desserts. Great, that's more money coming into my business. Baking supplies, no, I got to pay for the flour and sugar and all of that, so that's not something that's coming in, it's going out. And another order, great, it's an anniversary cake this time, so that's great. That, again, that's money coming in. Oh, look, and then we also have another order, and then just general sales in my bakery, and so that's really money coming in too, right? So we want to look at all of those numbers that are on the positive side and kind of think through, right? Is it positive? Is it negative according to our bank account? So all of my green ones are going to be my deposits. Notice I circled them, right? Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to look at is, it says, on what dates did the bakery withdraw? So withdraw means take away. So that means take away. And when we take away, we're going to be looking at those negative numbers, right? We had to pay rent. We had to pay utilities. We had to pay for all the supplies, okay? So those are the dates that would be, the dates that would be taking away or withdrawn, okay? What would $0 represent in this context? So $0 in this context, so if 0 was listed here, that would mean, no sales and no costs for the day. It would mean no sales and no expenses. No expenses, right? It would just mean, was just a kind of day. All right. That's which of sea level. Of sea level. So I'm thinking about everything above. Right? The penguin is, notice sea level is 0. The penguin is at sea level. What does that mean in this situation? Descended. So when we get descended, we're looking at going down, right? So which animal has descended 10 meters below sea level? Well, let's see, below we've got our octopus, right? Octopus. All right, so you guys got to let me know if you have any questions about, how I worked on a bank account statement, how I worked on the water, because you guys are going to have an opportunity to work on things like our thermometers again, with temperatures above and below 0, as well as football with moving things. Let me know if you have questions.